Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. So, how are you all? I hope you all are will be well. So, today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is The Little Girl. It is a story written by Catherine Mansfield. The title of the story refers to the main character that will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. So, this is the story, and this story it is told between children and their parents how their relationship are, how they are bond of love with their parents. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. She thought that her father was like a giant. He had a big hands, a big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. Kezia's father worked in an office. He went to an office in the morning. Before going, he went to the little girl's room. He gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy when the father had gone. So Kezia was a little girl. She has feared from his father. She thought that she is thinking that his father is like a giant. His hands and our neck is very big. So she always tried to avoid him. And when his father go to office, he just give her a kiss and then she go. In the evening, the girl's father came back. He spoke loudly in the house. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. When she entered his room, he looked at her sternly. Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. One day, Kezia made a pincushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. She needed paper to stuff the pincushion. She found some sheets of the paper in her father's room. She tore the sheets to stuff the pincushion. Her father had written an important speech on them. He was very angry with her. He took a stick and beat her severely. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. So one day she has made a pincushion, and for that she needs some papers to stuff, and she took some papers from her father's room, and that papers were very important for her father. She did not know about this. So when his father get to know that she has teared his important speech paper, then he beat her with a stick. One day Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. They all looked very happy. But Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought that there were different kinds of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Her grandmother took her to hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with the nurse. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. At night, she had a horrible dream. She saw that there was a butcher with a knife. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room. He lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. So once her mother was ill and she was in hospital, and at the home Kezia was alone, At night, she has to sleep alone, and she saw a dream in that a butcher was there with a knife. So she wept very loudly. And then her father came and took her to his own bed, and she lies beside her father. He was tried and fell asleep before her. He was tired. She was lost in thought. She thought that he had to work hard every day. He came in the evening, then he was so tired to play with her. She thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers. She realized that her father was not bad. He had a big and loving heart. So at last, Kezia felt that her father was not bad. He was good. During this process, Kezia mistakes her father's speech papers as scraps and she stuffed them in by tearing. Her father gets furious and beats her badly. Kezia felt very sad and grandma tries to console her. She compared her father with her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He plays tag with his 5 children without scolding them for right waiting him up with the waterhouse. From the Kezia concluded that there are different fathers. When Kezia's father came into her room to give her casual kiss, she responded, "Goodbye, father." She was glad when the sound of the carriage goes fainter down the road. In the evening, when her father asked if she had been a good girl, but she used to shudder with her answer, she was only like this in front of her father. When it was Sunday, grandmother pushed her into the drawing room and forced her to interact with her parents. Mother was busy in reading newspaper and father was sleeping. Besides, when her father's birthday was around the corner, grandmother suggested to make a pin cushion for yellow silk. Suddenly, one morning, her mother falls ill and grandma needed to be in the hospital. At that time, Alice cook was trying to put Kezia into sleep. She got a nightmare of a butcher. Then her father carried her into his room and tugged her in. Kezia felt secured and she found that her father was not scary anymore. This story is written by Catherine Mansfield. She was prominent New Zealand modernist short story writer and poet. This is a story about a little girl who thinks that her father is strict and scary. But in the end, Kezia found out that her father has a great heart. I hope you all have enjoyed this story. So, please revise it again and we will meet again. Till then, thank you.